Welcome to a new episode, How to Learn JavaScript from Beginner to Advanced. Today we will learn about how to use ternary operator with arrays. We will do examples with ternary operation in combination with arrays. Let's start it. I will create for begin a function with if and after I will modify with this if in a ternary operator, because you know this ternary operation is a shorthand way to write if else statements. Okay, we have here one example with an array. This array, let array, with 1 2 3 4 5 element, and we have function index 2. Inside this function we have a condition: if array of 2 equal 3, array of 2 equal 6. Let's check this condition. In the array, do you know that you check the index of an element starting from 0? No, the first element is 0, 0, 1, 2. Array of 2 is 3. That means our condition is true. If our condition is true, array of 2 will be changed in 6. And when we'll console.log, we'll see here 6. After I call this function for execute the code and for display on my console, let's see. This is with if example. The number after I do change is 6. Initially is 3, but I create here one condition and I say if number of this of 2 index is 3, please change with 6, and I obtain this result. Let's do the same example, but this time with ternary operator. Okay. With ternary operator, the code have these aspects. Example with array and ternary operator. We have here also this array, but I changed the name of variable. I changed the name of function for a good understanding. We have this function index to ternary operator, and the condition is array ternary operation of 2 equal 3, change with 6. If it's true, change value to 6. Let's see if at index 2 is value 3. 1, 0, 1, 2. Because I start from 0, is 3. Is 3. That means it's true, my condition. If it's true, my condition in ternary operator, I will change the value in 6. Else, the value will be null. I put null to display nothing. Okay, let's see. This is modified with ternary operator. The number from array is now 6. It's okay now. I have the number 6. This is a simple function. Let's pass to the other example. For example, if you want to replace an element from array based on condition, you can use a ternary operator to replace an element in the array if it matches a certain condition. Let's see. let's delete this because we have the name of our variable are the same and will be conflicts between them. We have array, let array with this element, and I want to replace element in array, and I create a function modify array with ternary operator. Now I put here condition if array of 2 is 3, put 10 0 1 2. Array of 2 is 3, that means we'll see instead 3 we'll see 10 when I run this code. Array after modification is 1 2, and do you see here 10 1 2 10 because my condition is true. Else put 20, but the code run when browser run this code doesn't reach on this line, doesn't touch this line because stop at this condition because it's true and display 10. Okay, how it work? If the value at index 2 is 3, it will be replaced with 10. It's true. If it's any other value, it will be replaced with 20, but my code don't run to this line. You can also use the ternary operator to check if a specific element exists in the array, but you should to use include method. Array have a lot of method for help us to do variety of activities. This is the function, is a function who help us to check element existence in an array. If an element is in that array, let array. We have here a variable const element equal 13, and here we have a variable result, and at this variable I assign a value of this method, because when I run this method I obtain a value. The nice part for the ternary operator is that you can assign to a variable a method, a function, and in array it's a good way to do this. It's a syntactic sugar, you can work properly. Here result is array that include element, include check if there are element in this array. The value of element is 13 now. My method check if 13 there are in the array, there are, and probably and sure I will see in the console log the element 13 exists in the array. Let's see, the element 30 exists in the array because do you see here is the element in the array. I can do the same dynamically, adding a parameter element to the function. Let's see, I delete this and I add a parameter element to my function, and here I have element, the array that include element, and when I call the function, let's see, I put what element I want, and okay, it's okay. Let's see, 14. it's okay, the element exists. 114 I put now. The element does not exist in the array. I assigning the result of a ternary operation that depends on whether element is found in the array or not. Also, you can work with nested ternary operator to handle multiple conditions. You can even use ternary operator for more complex condition. Let's see one example. We have this function. In this function we have an array and a function. Now to a variable we assign this that result a value, and you have here two if. Now the first condition is this: array of 2 is greater than 10, and the second condition is array is the value is 12. Array if the value is 12, and if the value is 12, I receive this string, and now if it's not, I receive another string. Now in summary we have here two conditions, because when I use operator, ternary operator, do you know this sign, this mark means a condition. I have a condition, an if here, and if array of 2 is equal with array of 2 is greater than 10, this is the first condition, and the second condition is if array of 2 equal 12. Let's see, let's check this condition. Array of 2 is greater than 10, yes, because it's 12. Array of 2, the second condition, is equal with 12, yes, it's equal with 12, and in this case I will receive this string value is 12. Okay, let's see how I can to make this with if else. With if else I can to do in this way. I have here a function, and I write if array of 2 is greater than 10 and if array of 2 is equal with 12, result value is 12, else result value is greater than 10. We have here an mainly if function, and inside it this is first condition if, else, and again if else. Thank you that you watching till the end this episode. I'm waiting in the next tutorial with interesting aspects about how to use how to use elements in JavaScript, how to manipulate a variety of element in JavaScript. All the best. I'm waiting in the next episode.